Hey guys, welcome back to Nerd Bomber Cards. Today we have a little treat for you guys. We have two Chronicles 2020 draft picks, football, and mega boxes. So we're each going to open one. There's one auto per box, and luckily we have a really nice neighbor who lent us the boxes to open on our channel. We're breaking for him. So without further ado, we're going to start breaking. Of course, you're looking for the guys on the box. Tua, Joe Burrow, Jordan Love, and Justin Herbert. But we're also looking for guys such as CeeDee Lamb, Jerry Jeudy, Chase Young would be really cool. Chase Young of the Washington football team. Pretty sick team.
The Washington football team.
Oh, little slide. That's nice. Okay, so I think there's 10 packs. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Wow.
13? Alright, so let's hit some Burrow. Or any QBs, I guess. Oh, there's Herbert. Not Herbert. But it was Oregon. Okay, so we start off with the rated rookie. Oh, sorry, it's not focusing. But there's a rated rookie of Shea Patterson. There's Herbert. Nice card from playoff. There's Jacob Eason from Washington. I think that's a red. I'm not sure. Pretty cool. There's a Crown Royale of Antonio Gibson and limited of Jake Breland. So this product's actually all rookies, which is pretty cool. I believe it's a 300 card set of all rookies, which is really cool actually. There's Donovan Peoples-Jones from Prestige, Bryce Perkins base Chronicles. There's a Spectra of Chase Claypool, Cheyenne O'Grady, and a Raider rookie of Clyde Edwards-Helaire. There's another Clyde Edwards-Helaire, this time from Just Don Russ. Charlie Warner from playoff. There's a red Colin Johnson. That's nice. Hunter Bryant and AJ Dillon. So no Burrow, no Tua yet. But there was one Herbert sighting. Still waiting on the auto. Oh, speaking of Tua, there's a Prestige Tua. Benny LeMay. Hunter Bryant. I think that's a blue. There's another Jake Breland. Oh, there we go. Spectra Joe Burrow. Nice card. Awesome card. There's a nice pull. Spectra Joe Burrow. Sick pull. Man, these boxes are loaded with rookies. J.K. Dobbins. Oh, of course it's loaded rookies because there's only rookies. Darrington Evans. There's Tua. Red Crown Royale. It's a nice one. Shea Patterson and certified Donovan Peoples-Jones. So far these have been there have been some really nice rookies so far. None of the receivers yet, but that's okay. We like quarterbacks the most for sure. There's Chase Young. Nice card. Love Chase Young. There's CeeDee Lamb. Cam Akers. And there's a Devin Duvernay. Nice. There's our first select, Adam Trotman. Okay, so still looking for that auto, but we've hit all the top QBs except for Jordan Love, which is pretty cool. There's Colin Johnson, Nate Stanley, DeAndre Swift red. That's pretty nice from Absolute. KJ Hamler and Benny LeMay. Swift, I think, is supposed to be pretty good.
Yeah, he's very good.
I don't know much about football, so bear with me, guys. I don't really know many of the top rookies, or I only know the top rookies. Mitchell Wilcox. There's Jerry Judy. There's a blue XR of Kendrick Rogers. Oh, there's a Jerry Judy Phoenix, Justin Jefferson Crown, and a Jerry Judy Phoenix. It's a nice one. So still waiting on that auto, and hopefully we can hit a couple more Burrows and maybe another Tua. That'd be nice. Sean McKeon, Javon Leake. There's a red Brian Harry in Spectra. Deshaun McLeese and Michael Pittman Jr. So the auto's coming down to the last 3 packs. Oh, Joe Burrow right on top. Nice. Oh, here's our auto. Okay. So Nate Stanley, Henry Ruggs. That's a nice one. Colin Johnson Raider rookie. Oh, the Nate Stanley's are red. So the autograph's going to be Sewu Oloniluya from TCU. Not the best auto, but nonetheless an auto. Oh, and the Joe Burrow. That's a nice one. Probably a better card than the auto, if I'm being brutally honest.
This is a running back.
At least it's an offensive player. That's always good. KJ Hamler, CD Lamb Raider rookie, Patrick Taylor Jr. red, CJ Henderson, and Steven Montez. Alright, final pack. Final chance to hit another Burrow or a Tua of some sort. Or a numbered card. Haven't seen any of those yet. KJ Hill, Brian Lewerke. There's Jordan Love press proof. Let's see if that's numbered. Nah, it doesn't look like it, but it's a green. It's a nice one. Joe Reed and Brian Harrion. So that was a solid box, no doubt, solid box. So we're gonna get to the second box shortly here.
All right, so I'm gonna open up the other box now. We got a few quarterbacks. Not bad. Our autograph was a running back. I'm not familiar with him at TCU, but I know the Horned Frogs, I think they're called, were a pretty solid team. So maybe he was a star. If he was a real big star, I apologize for my ignorance. Like my son, I didn't follow college football very heavily this year, but I knew enough that LSU was a beast. All right, probably the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 this time. All right.
You must have miscounted.
All right, here we go. I'm pretty excited. Thanks to our neighbor, Ross the Boss. He was fortunate enough to find this at Target. We have not been so lucky, but this is fun opening up. All right. All right, we got another CD Lamb. It's our third one. Yeah, DeAndre Swift, very good running back at Georgia. I know him. Hey, there we go. Joe Burrow, red Phenoms. Not numbered, but still I think our third Burrow of the box. Jalen Riacor and Harrison Bryant. All right, that pack was worth it for the Burrow. Feel free to leave in the comments section if you guys have ripped this product, and if you have, did you pull anything significant? Any quarterback autos, anything sick, anything noteworthy? We'd love to know. This is our first time seeing this product live. Okay, Jake Breland. Chase Claypool. Sorry, there we go. All right. Gabriel Davis, Harrison Bryant. Okay, that I'm assuming that was a pretty sad pack. I guess every pack you don't pull a significant quarterback is probably a little disappointing. All right. James Proch, another Chase Young. That's pretty cool. Oh, baby. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Oh, Ross the Boss, you're a happy man. You're a happy man. We're about to move. We're about to move out of the neighborhood and take this box with us now. Put that in a vintage sleeve. That's a beautiful one. Charlie Werner and Jared Pinkney. Wow. That was a beautiful card. I got to imagine that's decent coinage on that one. I would say our buddy got his money back on this box.
Easily the best card of the break.
Easily the best card of the break.
Red
Joe Burrow. There you go. All right, more Burrow. Come on now. Rodney Smith. Gabriel Davis. A blue. Xavier McKinney. Oh, another one. Lipscomb and Rico Dowdle. Okay. I doubt he's any good. All right. Still, you have to pull the autograph. I assume it was backwards, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty thick, too.
Pretty thick? Okay. All right. All right. So we got Jermichael Hasty. Sorry, we keep getting out of focus here. I'm trying to fix it for you. Justin Herbert. Let's leave that bad boy up. Another Eason, quarterback. Probably sleeve that one up since it's a QB. It's a pretty nice one. Certified. That's a nice looking card. Certified. It has a nice product. These are not easy to open up. These are stiff. Be careful, folks. You don't ding the corner on these. All right, Denzel Mims. Another Lipscomb. Another CD. It's nice. It's a blue. Unnumbered. Still cool. Anthony McFarland Jr. Okay. It's a nice card. The select card looks nice. All right, focus this. You can see everything. All right, still looking for the autograph. We're hoping it's Burrow. We're hoping it's Tua. Hoping it's Bear. Okay, here he is. There's a sleeve for Jonathan Taylor. This guy is absolute superstar. Ayuk. Dylan. And Ahmed. All right, we have about 5 packs left here. So, yep. See which one has the auto. I see Joe Burrow on the back. Ross the Boss hits again. See, a lot of these cards are, corners are a little bit sideways. Just typical for Panini. They're QC is god awful. Ooh, beautiful. Chase Young. Look at that, folks. That's a nice one. That's pretty. Let's leave that one up. And another. Oh, nice. Phoenix. Sick. Dang, dude. I am super jealous this is not my box. Alright, is the autograph in here? I'm going to say no. Alright. Hightower. Another Jefferson. Absolute beast. Javon Leake. And Stanford. Okay, 3 packs left. Down to the nitty gritty here, folks. Here we go. Come on. Let's get something nice. There's the autograph. I'll save that one for last. Okay. Another Judy. Very nice. Non-QB. Another non-QB. Okay. All right, one more pack before we get the money pack. We can get one more Burrow, one more Tua. I haven't got a single Tua, right, in this whole box?
Nope. But a lot of Burrow.
A lot of Burrow. Yeah, I guess that's okay, right? Jeez Louise, dude. Burrow in the house again. Joey B. Some green. AJ Dillon, that guy was a beast. I remember him. All right, guys, here it is. Lynn Bowden, the guy who took his shirt off and slapped a coach before a game. Great guy. Perfect Raider. All right, Benjamin Victor. All right, let's see. Cal Berkeley. Could that possibly be good? Ashton Davis. Never heard of him, and I'm from the Bay Area. Safety. Ouch, dude. Well, that's what you expect from Target, but man, a lot of Burrows. All right, all the Burrows out here. Okay, that's a lot of Burrows. So we got Raider Rookie, Prestige, beautiful Spectra, beautiful red optic, Raider Rookie, and beautiful Phenoms, and a gorgeous Phoenix. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed the break. We sure did. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time.